What about these two of them? Let me start with this one before I go with that one then, because this one I see it as in it's much more easier than this. Then for this one, guys, in order for you to remove a square root then, in order for you guys to remove a square root, you should make that square root first of all to represent the equation. How do you do that? I will take this number to the other side there. This will be like this there, which is there, it's 3. That thing there will become what? Minus 2x there. Then here I will remove that negative 1. That negative, by the way. But this thing is still the same as negative 1, by the way. Divide by negative, this will cancel there. Meaning that this thing will become like this there. That negative, guys, it will affect both of them like this, by the way. Minus and 2x minus by minus there. So this there, when it divided, it's minus. But for this one there, it will get multiplied there. Divide there. When it divides same sign, you got what? You got positive there. And that thing there, I can write it in this form, by the way. So here we still got that. Here we still got this here. And now a key thing now that you should know. For you to remove that square root, you should make it to represent the equation. As I told you, this thing there, it represents which equation? It represents this equation. So now I can remove that square root by taking 2 both sides, guys. 2 both sides. That 2 on your left hand side will get cancelled with a what? With a square root, meaning now I will have this here. But now on this side I will have something like this now. Meaning now I should do what? I should expand. This is how you expand. This multiply here, this multiply there. Meaning this multiply there, it's 4x squared. This multiply there, it's minus 6x. This multiply there, it's minus 6x. Multiply there, it's positive 9. Please, guys, revise your expanding. Know how to expand. So this is what now I will do. This and that, they are what? They are like term. When I press them on a calculator, they will give me what? They will give me, obvious, they will give me x2. They will give me minus 12x them, which is plus 9. Make sure, guys, when you press them like this on a calculator, so that you'll get what I get them. Do you see? And now this is what I will do. Since I got to x2 and x1, it means that I can form a quadratic equation. This is how you form a quadratic equation, guys. Let's go straight forward. You should take everything to one side there. I can take, okay, let me just take everything there on my left hand side. All the time take them, guys, on your left hand side, which is x2 positive 12x minus 9. Now I can collect like term. This, it's a like term with this. A number to a number. So this is what you're supposed to get there. It's minus 4x2. And now I can press now this with that one here. I got invisible one, meaning it's positive 13x. And this with that one there, it's minus 10. Do you see, guys? Then now, this is what you will do again now. So now this is what you will do there. You can tell that, okay, this one it's my A, it's my B, it's my C. All of these things, they represent my B there. It represent my B, it represent my C, and this one it represent my A there. Because all of that thing there, it is in a standard form. The only thing now that you should do, press that thing there on a calculator, open. This is how you go. Just go with me there. Minus open and 13 close, plus open this, yeah, minus 4, and here it's minus 4 is our A, our C there is that one. Here, this one, guys, be careful about this one, you might not get an answer. Let me just do it there, which is our A there, it's minus 4, close. I hope guys I pressed everything correct there. Please check the way I pressed. Equal. Oh, you are lucky that here you got an answer. Some of the question will get some error. Do not be confused. So if guys you got an answer like this there, this is how, this thing, it tells you that you can factorize there. Let's factorize this thing. This is the answer that you got. Let's write it down. Our first answer is 5/4. Do you see? Then now what about the second answer there? Change this thing there, change that thing there to be negative. you got 2. So it means there you also got 2 there. So these are the answer, guys, that you got there. It's a constant and a fraction form. So this is how you do them. Take this thing there to the other side, so that 0 will represent this as our brackets then. Then for this one there, to remove a fraction, you multiply by its denominator, both sides there, so that it will get cancelled. Here you will have 5 there. Or press everything there on a calculator, you will get 5. Take this to the other side. Minus 5, meaning this one is your bracket A and bracket B there. Do you see? And now I can take those brackets, write them here. Bracket A, there is this one. Bracket B, there is that one. And now I can factorize again now. Or I can equate each bracket there by 0 or 2 is 0. My first answer is 2. And my calculator already told me the first answer is 2. Then for this one, take that thing to the other side. It becomes 5 divided by 4. Then my second answer will be what? Will be 5 over 4. Which is that second answer was that one. Do you see, guys? We are good cheaters. Do you see? Which is this thing there. It's this and that and that. Correct mark them. And you'll get some 5 mark here. From you expanding, do you see? And for you to removing a what? Where is it? To remove this thing there, which is absolutely correct, this one. Do you see? This thing can contain 5 marks there. From your first question, by the way. What about this one, guys? A fraction one. This one, hey, I prefer to be my last one. Here you just apply both type, by the way. Minus this multiply that, this multiply them. This one they multiply together like this then, which is P. Here it's 1 over 4. Here it will be 3 multiplied by this one. And this will multiply P multiplied by P. Do you see? So these things together, they will give you 2P. And everything there, guys, it go with that negative, it multiply inside there, which is it's minus 3P and positive 3 there. This will multiply inside here, which is 2P and minus P, 1 over what? Over 4 there. Do you see? And now in this case, guys, you apply a cross multiply, as I told you there. If you got two bracket, if you got two fractions are separated by equal, you do cross multiply. But if they are separated by plus or minus, you apply both side there. Cross multiplication, by the way. This will multiply there like this there. P2, 3P plus 3, which is 1 multiplied by P2 and P. Do you see? Anything, guys, when you multiply with 1, you get the same thing there. But for this one, this will multiply inside like this there. This multiply there is 4P and 12P plus 12. Do you see? And now this is what you do, guys. Since you got that P2 and P1, it means that you can form a quadratic equation there. Here it's 2. You can form a quadratic equation, take everything in one side. So that thing there will be P plus 2 plus 12. Those things, they will change the sign there. Become, here we'll only left with 0 there, because there is nothing that will be left there. Do you see? And now you got some like term. This, it's a like term together. This, it's a like term together. If you press this thing with a calculator, don't forget that we got invisible one. This and that, they will give you 3P2. This and that, they will give you 13P. This thing, they doesn't have like term. So now, this is what you will do. You will just identify your A, B, C, D. This one is my A, B, C. Do you see? Guys, don't get confused with A, B, C. Come on, guys. Come on. This thing is a straightforward day. A simple theory day. That's our theory that we have. It's A, B, C. And now let me just press this thing, guys, on a calculator, which is this brackets open, this, which is minus 13. And they will say plus, and that's what it's minus 13, 2 minus 4, 4 and say. And now my A there it's 3. Now my B there it's that one. My C, by the way, which is 3 Yeah, so this is the answer that I got there. So here it's my first answer for P, it's 3. Then my second answer there is this one there, which is 4/3 as my P there. So if guys I got these two answers, it means that I can factorize. Here I will multiply by 3, so that this thing there will be 3P. Here I will only have 4. Take that thing there to the other side, P. This thing there will be 4, 0. The moment now that 0 represents the equation, it means that one is your bracket there. Bracket B, by the way. Then for this one, take that thing there, it become negative, meaning this one is bracket A there, as you can see. So it means those two things, guys, you do them aside. Your teacher, they should not see them, because there you are cheating, by the way. Then say open, which is P3, and here it's 3P and 4, 0 there. Now you can equate each bracket there by 0, say or equate each bracket there by 0. Take that thing to the other side, it become positive as your first answer. Take that one there, it become 0 plus 4, which is still there, it's 4. Then divided by 3. Do you see? Meaning this thing there will be P, which is 4/3. Cancel. Do you see, guys? A cheating method. Meaning from this mark there, we'll get 1, 2, 3. Then let's try to check the simplification to a standard form. It's correct. Removing those brackets there to this format, it's correct. Even this one, it can cost 5 marks there. Do you see? Yeah. So please, guys, don't panic when you see this question. Just relax. Apply what you know there. But if you don't know more, just go back, watch each and every video that I do. Try to view it slowly by slowly. The one that confuses you, just comment. Then I'll try to do more for you. But if I don't have a chance for you to do more, I have another channel there of the Go-Getters. It can simplify everything then. Just search the Go-Getters there, you will see it. Yeah, so thank you guys for your time. I hope you did enjoy this lesson of solving for x using a quadratic equation. I'll try to do more videos because I'm sure that you deserve more. All the best in your studies.